Hey creators, it's Chase Brooks from Chase Profit, and today we're diving into a niche that refuses to die. The commentary niche. You've seen these videos everywhere: funny voiceovers, quick captions, memes, emojis, and that addictive sound design that keeps you watching till the end. But here's what nobody tells you. These videos aren't random. They follow a formula. And once you understand it, you can grow fast on YouTube, Shorts, TikTok, or Reels, even if you've never edited before. Stay with me till the end, because I'm not just going to explain how it works. I'm giving you my free sound effect pack to help you make your first viral video today. Let's begin. So what exactly is the commentary niche? It's simple. You take a piece of existing footage, tell a story around it using a funny or emotional voiceover, add captions, music, and boom, you've got a video that entertains people while keeping them hooked. It's evergreen, meaning it works across every platform, every year, and in every language. But if it's so powerful, why isn't everyone succeeding with it? Because most people copy what others do without a strategy. That ends today. I'm going to show you how to choose your sub-niche, find viral ideas, write engaging scripts, generate realistic AI voiceovers, and edit like a pro, all step by step. Most beginners do this wrong. They open TikTok or Shorts, scroll for hours, and copy random viral videos, hoping one will blow up. That's like throwing darts blindfolded. Here's the truth: your best sub-niche is already inside you. Everyone has something they're naturally obsessed with. Maybe sports, pets, tech, movies, or motivation. When you create from that passion, your content becomes authentic and people feel it. Let's say you love soccer. You already know the rivalries, players, and stories that fans care about. That knowledge gives you a massive advantage because you can comment on moments others don't even notice. That's how you build trust, relatability, and loyal followers. Before you start, ask yourself, would I still enjoy making this content if it didn't go viral right away? If the answer is yes, you've found your niche. Let me give you two examples of creators who nailed this. First, I am Batpool. His entire channel revolves around Marvel movies, actor stories, behind-the-scenes facts, and fan theories. Every post connects to that world. He's not chasing trends, he's building a brand, and it pays off, millions of views per upload. Second, Infus Diary. This creator focuses on the pet niche. She doesn't even film her own clips, she curates cute animal videos and adds emotional voiceovers. The results? 10+ million views per video. Both are proof that focus beats randomness. Stick to one sub-niche, bring your personality, and grow with depth instead of noise. Once you pick your sub-niche, it's time to study the market, go to TikTok or YouTube Shorts, and interact only with videos in your chosen topic. Like, comment, and save a few that perform well. Within a day, the algorithm will start feeding you more, basically curating your personal viral ideas feed. But here's the secret: most creators ignore. Don't just look at shorts, watch long-form YouTube videos in your niche. Why? Because hidden inside those longer videos are moments that no one's clipped yet. When you turn those into shorts, you're posting fresh viral stories that almost no one has seen before. That's how you stay ahead of the competition. Now comes the magic: storytelling. Even the funniest clip won't go viral without a strong narration. If you're a natural writer, great, write it yourself. If not, do this. Watch your clip carefully. Describe what happens in plain English like you're telling a friend what you just saw. Then, paste that description into ChatGPT with this prompt. Turn this into a short commentary script with a strong hook, smooth storytelling, and satisfying ending. AI will instantly polish your draft into something catchy and natural. Just make sure the first 3 seconds grab attention. Start with curiosity, humor, or emotion, something that stops the scroll. Next, you need a voice to match your story. If you're confident speaking, record it yourself. But if you want that perfect cinematic tone, use AI voiceovers. One of my favorites is 11 Labs. It's clean, natural, and insanely realistic. Even the free version sounds professional. Here's what you do. Go to their text-to-speech section, paste your script, select a voice that fits your vibe, and hit generate. In seconds, you'll have a studio-quality voiceover ready to go. Pro tip: experiment with emotions and pacing. The right tone can double your retention. Alright, time to bring it to life. Open CapCut PC, import your video and voiceover. Set the aspect ratio to vertical. Trim silent parts from your voiceover so it flows naturally. If your footage has unwanted text, use the blur mask. Cover only the area with text. Then, generate auto captions using CapCut's built-in AI, and choose a bold, energetic caption template. Remember, your captions should dance with your voice, not distract from it. Next, add the arrow and red circle effects. They're perfect for highlighting key moments. For background music, visit pixabay.com, grab a copyright-free track that matches your mood, and drag it into the timeline. Adjust volume levels, sync the beat, and you're done. Now hit play and watch your first professional commentary video come to life. I know it might seem like a lot to take in, but once you try this process, it quickly becomes second nature. This strategy has helped countless creators grow faster, not through luck, but through consistency and smart storytelling. You've got everything you need: your voice, your ideas, and the drive to make it happen. Focus on crafting stories that connect, add your unique personality, and keep improving with every upload. That's how creators break through and build something that lasts. If you'd like free resources from sound effects to editing assets, you'll find everything you need in the description below. And if you ever want guidance with editing, strategy, or content growth, my team and I are always happy to help. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Chase Brooks, and remember, great creators aren't born viral, they build it one story at a time.